Hi, I'm Etty, your wine curator here at Plonk Wine Club, and I'm really excited to share some really cool finds that we've curated for you all for your August shipments. Now, the first one I want to talk about hails from the north of Italy, from the region of Piemonte. It's made by a fabulous organic producer called Boniperti, and this wine is called Favola Lunga. It's made of 100% Vespolina, which is sort of a relative or cousin of the Nebbiolo variety, which many of you might be familiar with. This is classic Northern Italian wine. It has this fabulous, fresh, pert, red cherry fruit. It has great minerality. It's sort of lean and racy. This is unoaked, so it's a really fresh expression. And you also get a little bit of this bittersweet chocolate note, which really attributes some great earthiness to this wine. So hopefully you'll love this great red from Northern Italy. And then moving on to rosé for August, we have an awesome find from the region of Tras-Os-Montes in Portugal. Now, this is a very off the beaten path variety. You won't see many wines from this region at all that are imported into the US, and this is made by a great boutique producer called Quinta de Arcoso, and it's made of a variety called Bastardo. Now, Bastardo is known as Trousseau in the Jura region of France, so you might have heard of this variety called Trousseau. This is a very interesting rosé. It's definitely fuller bodied than some other rosés that you might have encountered from Provence or other regions in France. And it has this really great juicy watermelon fruit. It's just such a fabulous food wine, and I think you guys will love this rosé for August. And then moving on to the whites, we have a really cool Greek white that hails from the region of Mantinia, which is on the Greek Peloponnese. So it's the peninsula in the south of Greece. And it's made by a wonderful producer called Semelli. It's made of the variety Moschofilero. It's a little bit of a tongue twister. Now, this variety is so interesting because it's super aromatic. You'll get a lot of sort of exotic tropical and floral notes like jasmine, lychee, white peach, white cherry. It's just so fragrant, so perfumed, and it's such a beautiful example of this great variety. So hopefully you'll enjoy these really interesting and unique wines for August, and we will see you next month.